Okay, all right. Welcome. My name is Samuel Igwe. I am a website designer, a sales funnel builder, and also a business coach. So this presentation, in just few minutes, I'm going to show you some of the landing pages I have designed and what you can expect with this service. So I'm going to quickly show you around, and then when I say I have built thousands of landing pages, I'm not just saying it so that you hear it. I'm just telling you that I have had experience in building landing pages. So I want to quickly show you, and then let me just start with this my page here. So now, and the one thing about all this page, let me just scroll down. After this, you are going to show you another thing. So one thing about this is each of these pages are super responsive, mobile responsive. So it's when you view it on a mobile phone, it's displayed very well. It's reformat and they show in a very good format so that people that are accessing your site or your landing page through their mobile phone will have a good experience. And this is where some people miss it, where some of website designers miss it. They just say after using their computer to design it, and they view it on their computer and it looks nice, but when you view it on a mobile phone, you will hate what you see. But this one, all the landing pages are super responsive. It formats very well on a mobile phone. So let me just move ahead to the next one. I want to show you as many as possible, as many as you can wait to see. So this one is just a landing page for a free training on business idea. So it's super responsive. Let me view the responsive mode. Super responsive. So just let's wait for it to load the. Okay, you can see it's super responsive. As you can see, everything shows normal on a mobile phone, unlike some of this website or these landing pages that you see on a mobile phone. They look so bad, but on a computer they looks really good. You can see this one is one I use to promote a Lenovo's product. So if you're an affiliate, any business you are doing at all, we have a package for you. We can come up with a very high converting landing page that will not just make your prospect to see you as a professional, but also will help to increase your conversion. So you will not be wasting money on Facebook adverts. So this is very responsive. Let me view it on a mobile phone. So you see how it will display on a mobile phone. Very super responsive. Super responsive. If we are using an iPad to view it, let me just show you how it will show on iPad. Super responsive. See it? It will format. It will format. So if you are viewing it on a laptop, super responsive. See it? Let me just close here. See it? Super responsive. So we are not just designing landing pages to just maybe because others are designing. We are doing our own in a different way that when you use our service, you will confirm that we know what we are doing. And a few people know this secret. So some of them, let me just show you something. Even some that we claim to have optimized this for mobile view, there's something they do miss, and I want to show it to you. There are some landing pages that you see when you go to the mobile version of it. You see that this text you are seeing here is touching the all the edges of the mobile phone, or the size of the mobile phone to be touching here and here, and that is a very bad idea. Anybody that is acquainted with the internet will know that this person is learning work. You see, the image will also touch all these areas, touch here, which is a very bad idea, very bad design. So there should be a space, at least a little wide space by the two sides of it. So we do our best to make sure that what we know how to do. I will show you as many as possible. See them. I don't want this presentation to be longer than 10 minutes, so I will just quickly show you as many as possible. Okay, this one is a page I used to sell this formula that I call it F24HU formula. It's used to grow Instagram accounts. So when you want to any Instagram account, you want to grow it within a short period of time, when you apply that method, you see everything. So it's super responsive. Let me just view it on a mobile device. You see how it looks, that the responsiveness of it is top notch. As you can see, it formats very well and it displays very well on a mobile phone. If you view it on iPad, the same thing. If you view it on the computer, anything at all, it will display normal, super responsive, as you can see. So let me also show you another one. Okay, this one is a lead magnet for a webinar. So just as simple as this, super responsive. Let me show you on a mobile phone. So these are what you can expect with our service. And the one good thing about us is within 48 hours we deliver. This is a lead magnet page. See them. All these are lead magnet page. Let me just show you some other powerful landing pages. You can see, and why it is easy for us to deliver within 48 hours is I have sat down and put together some top converting templates. So what we do is once you come to us for a landing page, we just look at your business and then we check the template that we convert well, that we do well for you. Then we just upload it, do the necessary editing, and then your page is ready to go. As you can see, all these things are super responsive. Let me show you on a mobile phone also. Super responsive. See, this is how it shows on a mobile phone. Super responsive. Super responsive. You cannot get anything that beats this down. No, I'm assuring you that. If you view it on an iPad, you see the beauty of it also. See the beauty of it on iPad. You see. So this is how it displays on iPad. So what we are doing, we are not just doing it for. And if you are selling a physical product, we are there to support you because we have a package for you. So if you are selling a physical product, as you can see, this is for a blender, all kind of this is a blending machine. So, and it's super responsive. I view it on a mobile phone. You can confirm what I am saying, that it is super responsive. I just wait for it to load. Okay, you see how it displays on a mobile phone. Super responsive. So I don't know why you'll be wasting your money on pages that doesn't do well. See this one. All these things. We have a package. Just tell us your type of business and they will come up with a landing page that we convert for you. That is what we are good at. In fact, we are known for that. And our customers, the people that have used our service, can testify of that. Super responsive. Let me view it on a mobile device. mobile phone. See it. Awesome. Awesome. So if you want to appear or want to take your business to a level where people will respect you even from your landing page, I think you need to employ our service. You need to employ our service to get you a high converting landing page. All these things are super responsive. This is for physical products. You can use it to say anything at all. So we also do other things like a full-fledged website, like an e-commerce website. If you want to do drop shipping website and anything at all, consider is a business. Want to build a corporate business website? We do that. Let me just show you one of my recent. Okay, that was last year. I did this. This is a consultancy website, a full-fledged website, and after putting it together, the man was really happy with what he got. So let me just wait for it to load. Super responsive also. So this is a full-page website. We do anything when it comes to website development. You see all these things are what we do. So now this is a consultancy website anyway. So I designed it last year for my clients, and it's super responsive. Let me view it on the mobile phone, and you will appreciate it even more. Okay, this video is getting longer than what I expected, but anyway, it's still okay. So this is the mobile version of it. So super responsive, good animation, consistent color combination. But I don't have to say much about it. But what I'm just telling you is that if you employ our service, you are not going to regret it. You are not going to regret it, because we give you the best. We give you the best. Okay, this is just my recent work last week. So this is a bedding and interior decoration landing page. You see, and it is super responsive. When you view it on a mobile phone, you will even appreciate it more. Because why I pay more attention to the mobile devices is because I know that, especially in Nigeria or in any part of the world, you see that about 90% of people access the internet using their mobile phone. Just few fragments of them that access it with other devices. Let me show you on the mobile device how it looks. So this is how it looks on the mobile device. Very cool. So if you are there and you're still watching this video, it means that you are interested in what we are doing. And what I can assure you is that once you use our service once, you are going to use it again, because you are going to enjoy what you see. So, and this one now, I have integrated forms for each of the products. For example, now this is the bedding section. If you want to order it, when you click on place order, now it will take you to the form where you order for beddings. If it is through periods, it will take you to the form. So all these things, we put it together, we make it easy for your users to navigate your site and all that. And that is what makes us better than our competitors. So I'm going to be leaving you here, because I have shown you as many as I can. I cannot show you enough. So if you are there and you are still waiting, I don't know what you'll be waiting for. So if you have a lead magnet like this, lead magnet page like this, I don't know why it will not convert. So this is what you sorry. If you're an affiliate marketer, a digital creator, a physical product owner, or an e-commerce business, any business you do, we have a package for you. So what we're going to do is just click on the order button, on the get started button below this video, and then it is going to take you to my WhatsApp, and then we are going to tell me what the business is all about and then how you want it, and then I will offer my advice, and then the next thing is you make your payment and then wait for your delivery. Sometimes we even deliver within 24 hours. So, but why it takes longer than 24 hours is sometimes when you purchase a domain, it will take some time to get to get online, as in for all the propagation to take place, because we are actually going to be connecting it with our host. So once that is done, the 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 page should be ready within few hours. So thank you for watching. If you are ready to get started, just click on the order button or the get started button, and then we are good to go. Thank you once again.